Transparency is key as we're dealing with the customer. As they convey their needs to us, whether it's time frames, products, locations, any number of things like that, we have to be upfront and let them know what we can and can't do and what time frames we can and can't deliver within. And then we try to be able to find some way that we can work in between to whether we provide a short-term solution to get them what they need initially, looking at the long-term goal, or if we have to look at some custom builds or anything like that. So we really just try to make sure that there's very open dialogue between us and whoever our end user may be. We get a lot of teams involved to be able to make these happen. It's not just the sales team and the sales engineering team. It ends up being the deployment engineering team, the design engineering team, our outside plant. Operations plays an integral role in working with the customer because it's not just the product being put in place, but it's also the support they get afterward. They want to make sure that they can trust who it is that's going to fix their network if something happens. We try to make sure that the end user knows everybody in our team. It's not just an escalation list with a piece of paper. We want to make sure they know who our VP of operations is, who our director of operations are, who the engineering deployment team is, so that way they have multiple people they can reach out to. The goal is to make sure that we listen to what the customer's needs are and make that solution that fits right there to it. Sometimes there's some difficulty in that. It takes a lot of communication back and forth between our engineering team, our operations team, to be able to make the right solution for them. But in the end, that ends up creating a long-term relationship between DukeNet and the customer.